here we have a USB stick, which no longer works. And the reason it no longer works is this. Nice. So it's been sat on, it's been stood on, I don't know what's happened to it. I think it's got some music on it, which isn't that important, but I want to try and fix it anyway. The last time I had a look at a USB stick, I did manage to fix it, but I made a complete mess in the process. Cue flashback.
Previously on Statistics Fix.
So I'm hoping with this one, I can do it a little bit tidier. Maybe. But I don't know what state this is going to be in inside because this is massively loose. I don't know whether all of it's come apart, but there's only one way to find out. Let's have a look inside it. I'm not sure how these things come apart. I'm not even sure they do. Might have to slice it, but I think this is just going to pull out of here. Maybe not.
Just while I'm trying not to sever my fingers here, I'll give a shout out to my Holy Hand Grenade patrons this week. Tidder, Taylor Helton, Ellis Garbett, and Jamrag Berlin. Thanks very much, guys.
There we go. We have it out. Oh, wow, wow, wee, wah. Yeah. Let's get this under the microscope. Wow. Okay. I think that is where the damage is. I mean, it looks like none of these. Maybe. Oh no. God, what's going on? What is that? Oh, it's like glue, isn't it? It's like jelly. Right, so we've got... Yeah, none of these are attached. There's one there. That one, where's that one gone? It's like, what is that? Oh, right, I guess that's part of the USB connector. So we've got one pin here, one here, one here, and one completely missing for some reason. Oh, how has that happened? How's it got there? Well, that's weird. Right, let's see if we can separate this so that we can see exactly what the damage is. I mean, yeah, that's not attached. Is it attached here? It doesn't look like it, does it? No. That is just going to come off. There we go. Right, we're in 2 halves now. Oh dear. Well, the good news is that doesn't look badly damaged, does it? That just needs a clean up. Can't see any traces that have gone there. This, on the other hand, has definitely seen better days. Alright, am I going to be able to reuse that? Ah. Oh. Whoa. Oh. Right, hang on. They actually look okay, apart from maybe this one. Right, this end one doesn't really want to go back into place. It's sort of 3/4 of the way down and doesn't go any further. Excellent. Right, so we've got it in 2 separate parts now. I should be able to get that back in. Oh, this is looking promising. Still doesn't want to go in. Try and straighten it up. Yes. Excellent. Right, and I should be able to reuse this then. Let's just check continuity, just to make sure none of those other three are broke. That one's okay. 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 And okay. Right, so I think I can reuse that. Right, so if I can get this back on here, I mean at the minute it's sort of bent out of shape, but if I can get it soldered on at these legs here and bend that one back in and get it in there, I should be able to solder this back on. And it might work. Let's just clean up these holes. I need to try and put a bit of pressure down on this to get this in sort of almost the right place, and then can probably redo it. Yeah, let's just tack it on for now. That'll do for now. Yeah, you can see it's slightly, well, it's coming away there, isn't it? It has got some sort of fatigue cracking there. But you know what? That looks pretty flat. As in the board to the USB. It might be alright. Yeah, you know what? That's pretty solid. Let's fill these in. Right, well, that looks okay. I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah, I think that looks alright. I mean, it's got a little bit of a bend on it there, but the thing itself is flat. And they look nicely soldered on. Yeah. I wonder if that's going to work. Alright, moment of truth. Let's plug it in. Oh, that noise. Oh, yes, there it is. I've got NSYNC's greatest hits back. Get in there! What a result. Right, now I just need to get this back in here. So let's see if we can, I don't know, maybe glue this up. Nice. I'm really pleased with how that came out in the end. Nice little fix. It might sound crazy, but it ain't no lie. Baby, bye, 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 bye. Giving up, I know for sure.